Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of installing Microsoft Office using your university account. This will allow you to use the Office apps including Word, Excel, and PowerPoint as well as others. Let's get started. Before we begin, if you already have an earlier version of Microsoft Office installed, it's recommended to uninstall it first. When you are ready, open your web browser and go to mail.chi.ac.uk. Log in using your university credentials. Once you're logged in, follow the link found on the help site page, portal.office.com/account. This will take you to your Office account page. On your Office account page, click Install Office from the menu on the top left. Your installation file will begin downloading. If you're on Windows, it will be a .exe file, and if you're on a Mac, it will be a PKG file. Once the file has downloaded, run the installer by double-clicking it and follow the on-screen instructions to install Microsoft Office. During the installation, if you're prompted to enter a product key or sign in, choose Sign in to an existing Office subscription and use your full university email address. Remember, it's not just your username, but the full email address. Follow the remaining instructions, and you'll have Microsoft Office installed and ready to use. And that's it. If you encounter any issues, feel free to contact the SIZR IT support team. Thank you for watching, and enjoy using Microsoft Office.